Okay, I've been working on OstrichDB again, and I'm working on storing command history to an OST file. Currently, history is stored in memory, and obviously, you aren't able to move that across different sessions. Once you log out or you end the session, that history is gone. I figure why not allow a user to access their history forever. Um, so you can see I have this history.ost file here. This gets generated when the program starts or it first starts. And so let's go ahead and log in. All right, we're logged in. And I want to get all this stuff off the screen, so I'm going to use the clear command. Now, you can see that my clear command got appended to this cluster here. Now, this cluster has my name in it because this is my username. Once another user creates an account, they would have their own cluster in this file with their own history. This will prevent, let's say, Bob, right, username Bob, from accessing the history in my cluster and vice versa. Let's add another one. So new collection bar, new cluster bar dot foo, and those get added. So the next step would be to read from this. Like I said, currently history is read, command history is read from memory, or it's stored in memory and then read from memory. So the next step would be to actually read it from this file.